Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I just want to give a quick update on the promotion that Option Alpha is running right now, and that is getting a free account with Option Alpha if you open up a qualified brokerage account through Tradier. So I did mention this in a previous video, and what Option Alpha is, if this is your first time hearing about it, it's an auto trading platform that allows options and stock and options traders to trade using a bot that they create without knowing any code, and it can trade for you using a qualified broker. And so I've been using this for my Iron Fly strategies and paper trading right now, and pretty soon I'll be moving into a live account. But what I wanted to show you is this promotion that they're running. So it's Option Alpha is the name of the platform. There is an affiliate link down in the description if you want to check it out. Really, if you have the capital and you want to try out auto trading, then you can basically do it for free if you take advantage of this promotion. So click on the link in the description, go to Option Alpha, make an account there, and this is how you get your free account. So here is the exclusive promotion that they're running. I believe it runs until the end of the year, but you can get the Option Alpha Pro Plus membership with this qualified account. Now, what is a qualified account? Well, first of all, you have to make a brokerage account with Tradier, and then you have to add $2,000 to it. Okay, so this is something that I already had money in my Robinhood account. I'm just transferring it over to Tradier so that I can link it with Option Alpha, and then I get my Option Alpha membership for free, and I can do all of my auto trading using Tradier. Now, another neat thing is that with Tradier, if you link it to Option Alpha, you get zero commissions. So obviously that's a really great deal as well. I think if you just have Tradier by itself, then there might be a monthly fee or there might be commissions. It's something like that. But if you link the two together, not only do you get commission-free trading on Tradier, but you get the membership to Option Alpha for free. And what membership do you get? You're getting this Pro Plus membership, and that's this one right here. So this is their most premium plan that they offer. Regularly $200 a month if you pay monthly, or $160 a month if you do it all in 1 year. 50 bots, 500 back tests, $100,000 limit per bot. Now, the reason I'm making this video, not only to promote this particular promotion, but also to show you that it actually works. So let me show you the email that I got from Option Alpha. All right, so this is the email that Option Alpha sent to me earlier this week. It says, congratulations on your free upgrade. You've been automatically upgraded to the Pro Plus level at Option Alpha, compliments of Tradier Brokerage, which is now covering the cost of your Option Alpha subscription on your behalf. This is the way that you can keep your free membership with Option Alpha. Simply maintain a qualifying or qualified account at Tradier, minimum balance of $2,000 in cash or positions, and maintain an active integration between Tradier and Option Alpha during the previous 60 days. So as long as you have $2,000 in either cash or positions, and you link those two accounts together, Tradier, which is the broker, and Option Alpha, which is the auto trading platform. As long as they're linked together, you're going to be able to have this Pro Plus account. So I believe the entry to this ends, I believe it's the end of the year, so there's still quite a lot of time. So of course I get this free upgrade email, but again, just to show you that it actually took place, let me show you the Option Alpha account. So over here in the Option Alpha, sort of the back end where you log in. So under settings, I'm just scrolling down. You can see that my membership is now the Pro Plus plan. And so that gives me 50 bots, where previously I only had 3. 100K per bot. Previously it was only 5K, 500 back tests per month. And I think I had, 5 or 10 before. So everything automatically transitioned into or upgraded into the Pro Plus plan, and I didn't have to do anything to it. As soon as the money hit Tradier and was verified, then Option Alpha takes care of the rest and automatically upgrades you to the Pro Plus plan. As far as I know, this is probably the best deal that you're going to get. You get commission-free trading on options, and also you get a free paid-for membership with Option Alpha that allows you to automatically trade options using a defined strategy that you create. So if you want more information on Option Alpha, there's a video that I did a walkthrough of the Option Alpha platform. My link, my affiliate link, is down in the description if you want to check it out. And also, there is a 30-day free trial with Option Alpha, so you can try it risk-free. While you're in your trial, you can also clone the Iron Butterfly bot that I created in Option Alpha, run it in your paper account, and just see how it performs for you. And you can tweak the settings if you like. And if you like it, then you go ahead and convert it to a live account at Tradier, and then you can start making money that way, which I plan to do probably in the next week or so after I run a few more tests. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.